How do you make onion juice for hair growth? Onion juice is a sure-shot method for boosting hair growth and promoting hair regrowth. It is one of the best ways to deal with hair issues. Onion juice improves hair growth by boosting the level of the antioxidant enzyme catalase. It nourishes your hair follicles with its rich content of sulfur. The rich sulfur content also helps in minimizing the hair thinning and breakage. Onion is a safe, natural, and affordable home remedy that can be great for your hair. Now, if you are allergic to onions, don't try any of the onion juice remedies on your hair. Steps to make onion juice for hair growth are as follows. First, take 2 or 3 onions depending upon the length of your hair. Next, chop and grind them in a mixer. Sieve through a muslin cloth in a container. At last, refrigerate it. Keep in mind that onion juice can irritate your scalp, and so it's always a better option to mix it with some soothing agents like honey, coconut oil, or aloe vera. The onion juice smell is very pungent. Now, if you want to mask the smell, you can mix a few drops of essential oils. You can use lavender oil or tea tree oil with onion juice for your hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.